Thanks for staying with us on TVC News at 10. We're still on our coverage of the global pandemic coronavirus, which has seen numbers spike across many countries in the world. Total number of cases now exceeds 800,000 and deaths a little less than 40,000 globally. Spain has recorded the highest number of new cases within 24 hours, which exceeds 6,000. The United States death toll has overtaken China and still remains the country with the highest number of confirmed cases. Back here in Nigeria, the number of COVID-19 cases has risen to 139, with 8 new cases confirmed today. This is happening on a day that total lockdown of the nation's capital, Abuja, and Lagos, its commercial nerve center, took effect. Major roads in Abuja and Lagos are deserted and commercial activities on hold. Residents spend their day indoors in most parts of their cities. We have a series of reports from our correspondent Adedoja Salam Adeniyi in Lagos, Lara Afolayan in Abuja.
Satellite towns in the Federal Capital Territory are home to most of the city's population. This is basically because it costs less to live there. But today, these areas have lost their liveliness as the 14-day lockdown declared by government takes effect. Security officials are seen screening vehicle occupants at the Yanya axis in a bid to enforce the lockdown directive. Majority of the shops in the Karu and the Yanya area are locked, though a few dealers and food items are present. A blockade is noticed within the vicinity and few people are seen moving around or sitting in groups.
Well, we are home. The stay-home order is government's effort to combat the spread of the epidemic, and I think many of us are complying to it. But we cannot, I don't watch television, so the best thing I can do is come pick up papers here and read for the day.
It's a good thing, to comply with the federal government order. It's just that the decision is being taken a bit late, but better late than never. My message to government is to intensify more effort to see how this can be put under control.
The situation is the same in the Lugbe axis. Movement is being checked here just beside the ever-busy fruit market. A few traders have wares displayed but complain of low sales.
I know people come by today now. See the road, person come now. I did not come market. I want to go house, but I don't get money to travel. I no chop, I don't get anything for my hand.
Social distancing was not observed in most places visited, and many remained positive they will not contract the virus.
I'm covered by the blood of Jesus Christ. And I've sanitized my hand before I left my home, and I know I'm fully covered. And immediately I get back home, I know the next thing to do to wash.
They say we should sit at home, no money, no food. So I come out to see if I can see anything chop. What am I doing at home? No food, no water. Should I die of hunger?
Strict enforcement of the stay-at-home order was noticed in the Kubwa area. Most businesses were closed, with the exception of few essential ones. A lockdown on activities in Lagos, Ogun State and the Federal Capital Territory was declared by the President on Sunday to contain the spread of the coronavirus. Providers of essential services in these states are however exempted from this directive. Lara Afolayan, TVC News, Abuja.